Diesel Technology. Students in the Diesel Technology program learn to accurately diagnose and repair problems when trucks and other diesel-powered equipment breaks down. Diesel engines are found in trucks, trains, buses, construction and agricultural equipment, and many other types of transportation vehicles. You will learn to diagnose, service, and maintain diesel truck components, including the engine, clutch, transmission, suspension, steering, chassis, brakes, cooling, fuel, exhaust, and the electronic system. Welding processes and safety techniques are also taught. You will also be trained in the use of service and technical manuals, and be prepared to participate in the Pennsylvania State Inspection Certification Program. The Diesel Technology program will prepare you for many careers, including bus and truck technician and diesel engine specialist, heavy truck master technician, and heavy truck technician and maintenance technician. Additional training after high school can lead to many opportunities in service management, training, and advanced diesel principles.